Ancient Rome, a civilization of incredible achievements, groundbreaking innovations, and, of course, secrets that continue to baffle experts to this day. From missing legions and vanishing emperors to unexplained artifacts and cryptic prophecies, history is riddled with questions that no one has been able to fully answer. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries from ancient Rome. Cases that still leave historians and archaeologists scratching their heads. And stick around till the end, because we have a bonus mystery that will change how you think about Rome forever. 1. The disappearance of the Ninth Legion. One of the most perplexing mysteries in Roman history is the fate of the Ninth Legion. This elite unit, known as Legio IX Hispana, was one of Rome's finest military forces. But sometime around the early 2nd century CE, it simply vanished. Official records mention the Ninth Legion up until the early reign of Emperor Hadrian, but after that silence, what happened? Some theories suggest they were wiped out in a disastrous battle in Britain, possibly against the fierce tribes of Caledonia, modern Scotland. However, recent research suggests another possibility, that the legion was redeployed to the eastern front to fight against the Parthians and may have met its end there. A 2022 study from the University of Exeter found evidence of a lost Roman encampment in Persia with inscriptions that match some of the Ninth Legion's markings. Could this mean they weren't annihilated in Britain after all? The debate rages on. 2. The enigma of Emperor Romulus Augustulus' fate. In 476 CE, the last emperor of the Western Roman Empire, Romulus Augustulus, was deposed by the Germanic chieftain Odoacer. But what happened to him afterward? Unlike most deposed emperors who were either executed or exiled with clear records, Romulus simply vanished from history. Some accounts claim he was sent to a luxurious villa in Campania to live out his days in obscurity, while others suggest he might have been assassinated to prevent any chance of a comeback. A 2023 study by Italian historians analyzing letters from the late 5th century suggests he might have sought refuge in a monastery under an assumed identity. If true, Romulus Augustulus may have lived far longer than anyone thought, watching the empire he once ruled dissolve into history. 3. The mysterious death of Germanicus. Germanicus was one of Rome's most beloved generals, a man who seemed destined to rule. However, in 19 CE, at the height of his career, he suddenly died under suspicious circumstances. Poisoning was the suspected cause, and many believed that Tiberius, his adoptive uncle and reigning emperor, orchestrated the murder out of jealousy or fear of Germanicus' growing popularity. A fascinating 2021 forensic study examined the symptoms described in ancient texts and suggested an alternative cause: lead poisoning. Ancient Roman medicine often used lead-based compounds, and exposure over time could have led to the symptoms Germanicus experienced. But was it accidental poisoning, or was it a deliberate act by someone in the imperial court? The mystery remains unsolved. 4. The untranslated Voynich-style scrolls of Rome. A collection of ancient Roman scrolls, discovered in the ruins of Herculaneum, remains one of the greatest linguistic mysteries in history. These charred scrolls, preserved under volcanic ash from Mount Vesuvius eruption in 79 CE, contain writing in a yet-to-be-deciphered script. Despite decades of attempts by linguists and AI-powered decryption tools, the meaning behind these texts remains unknown. Recent advancements in multispectral imaging at the University of Naples in 2023 have revealed additional layers of text, suggesting these scrolls might contain lost knowledge about Roman science, politics, or even secret societies. Could they change what we know about ancient Rome? Only time will tell. 5. The curse of the Vestal Virgins. The Vestal Virgins, Rome's sacred priestesses, were revered and feared in equal measure. Breaking their vow of chastity meant death buried alive in a small underground chamber. But there's something even stranger. Several Roman sources claim that unnatural events, such as earthquakes and plagues, often followed the execution of a Vestal Virgin. A modern study published in 2022 suggests a potential scientific explanation. Geological surveys indicate that some of these burials took place in seismically active zones. Could it be that the executions happened to align with underground pressure buildup, causing small tremors? Or was there truly a supernatural curse tied to the breaking of their sacred vows? 6. The lost treasure of Alaric. When the Visigoth king Alaric sacked Rome in 410 CE, he allegedly took an immense treasure hoard, including sacred relics from the Temple of Solomon. But shortly after leaving the city, Alaric mysteriously died, and his followers supposedly buried him and the treasure in an undisclosed location, diverting a river to conceal the site forever. Despite centuries of searching, the treasure has never been found. A 2023 expedition using ground-penetrating radar in the Calabria region of Italy detected anomalies in the riverbeds, suggesting large underground structures. Could this finally lead to the discovery of Alaric's lost riches? The search continues. 7. The missing sunken city of Baia was ancient Rome's playground for the rich and powerful. A luxurious resort city famous for its extravagant parties, hot springs, and scandalous affairs. However, much of Baia now lies underwater. Historians believe volcanic activity caused sections of the city to sink. But what if something else contributed to its disappearance? New research suggests an alternative theory: sudden mass subsidence due to hidden lava chambers beneath the region. A study from 2023 using sonar mapping has revealed strange geometric structures beneath the seafloor. Was Baia's disappearance just natural disaster, or was there something more sinister at play? We may never know. And there you have it, some of the most baffling, unsolved mysteries of ancient Rome. Despite all our technological advancements, there are still countless secrets buried beneath the ruins, waiting to be discovered. Which mystery intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical deep dives. Thanks for watching, and remember, history is never truly written in stone.